Hi everyone, in this video, I'll be teaching you how to appear offline on Instagram. First things first, open the Instagram app and tap on your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap then the three bars at the top right of your profile page to open the menu. In here, just find and select Settings or Settings and Privacy from the menu. Also note that Instagram settings might vary slightly depending on updates. So, you want to scroll down here until you find the section for messages and story replies. If you can find it easily, you can also use the search bar at the top of the settings page. Just type in activity status in the search bar and it should locate the relevant setting just for you. Tap on Activity Status or Show Activity Status result. Once here in the Activity Status settings, you'll see an option like Show Activity Status. By default, it may be set to allow accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you were active. To turn it off, just toggle the switch to turn off the Show Activity Status option. Once turned off, people won't be able to see when you were last active or your current online status. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you.